We easily get discouraged when we are rejected. Pero alam mo ba na ang rejection could be redirection? I would like to share my experience last 2022. I was doing what I love, creative direction, be it videography or photography, being involved in the pageant planning, and lastly, handling the pageant journey of the girls that we send into international and national pageants. Sabi ng ilan, pasis pas, kalimutan ko na daw. Pero hindi ko makakalimutan. Way back 2022, there was a press con that was held against me. It was supposed to be a pageant send-off of our candidate in an international pageant. I'm very glad that happened, and it opened my eyes that I need to go back to business. And true enough, sa business, I was able to find myself again. Nagulat sila noong 2023. I was one of the sponsors of a national pageant at umakyat ako sa stage. That's not actually a revenge, but that was a redemption. You know, when people look at you na sobrang baba mo, na sobrang down mo, at pinagtutulungan ka, the only way to recover is not to make revenge against them. Instead, to improve yourself, not to prove them wrong, but to prove yourself that you can do better than what they think. Honestly, I still have pain in my heart, but I'm so thankful that those things happened. Kasi kung hindi yun nangyari, hindi ako natuto, hindi ko nakita ang sarili ko ulit, and I couldn't be better. Pero this is something funny. Yung mga taong nangda-down sa'yo in the previews, look at them now. If they're not suffering, they're miserable. Kaya kung dinadown ka ngayon at pinagtutulungan ka ngayon, piniprepare ka ni God for a better position tomorrow. This is Ken, and I'm telling you that experiences of the past should be lessons to last. Bye.